You should not talk on the phone while riding bikes. And here comes the accident. Today's weather is sunny as well as cloudy too. Yesterday only I was thinking that it's July end and the amount of rain that should happen not happen properly, because in month of June and July the amount of rain that happens last year was very much good. The weather drastically changes from year to year, very unpredictable, means you cannot forecast whether today rain will happen or not. If you think you will have rain today, then it's sunny, and when you think it will be sunny and then happens the rain. Very unpredictable. I don't know whether the angle of my video is okay or not. I have absolutely no idea that what will be the angle of my camera from which it is recording, and the voice quality I eventually don't know. So you all guys can help me by telling me whether the quality of the video and the sound quality is okay or not. Talking about my what to say. Oh man, I forgot. I'm talking about the inspiration from where I get inspired to make moto vlogs. There are many people that help me to think that YouTube can be a career for making people happy and little bit earning money also. So the people who inspire me are, the first of all, there is a YouTuber creator. His name is Biker Boy Zahir. He has his own YouTube channel which is Biker Boy Zahir, and he used to make motovlogging vlogs videos in which he usually shows super bikes and other stuffs, which I get inspired by seeing that. And the second person who inspired me is Explore the Unseen, Vikas Dayal sir, who inspired me that whether you are working in any job or any type, you can earn and make people happy by YouTube. Currently he is owning and Fortuner and BMW M30 330i, sorry, my mistake. And the third person who inspired me a lot, because of which I am here and making videos for you, is Anurag Sadodkar. He has his YouTube channel with Anurag Sadodkar only, and he used to make motovlogging vlogs in Mumbai. So this guy's video I have saw and got very much inspired. That's why I'm making. From there only I get the inspiration to make vlogs, and I have done analysis also that people usually like to see vlogs and other stuffs. Talking about my history, so history of YouTube. So I make videos of gaming. I started YouTube with gaming videos, but the thought that I got that it will work, it doesn't work at all. So I dropped the plan after working for 2 and 3 months. Then I started making music videos. So it worked, but again the problem was that it does not work that much great as I expect.
चीटिंग करता है तू चीटिंग 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 करता है तू
So then I eventually explored the YouTube criteria and saw that many of people like motovlogs and the stuffs related to that. So I started motovlogging.
रोज आते हैं इस उम्मीद पे आज जीतेंगे कल जीतेंगे परसों जीतेंगे
So today is 25th of July, and on 22 of July my college faculty has sent me a notice that an actor is coming, a very famous actor is coming to visit our college. So I was very much happy to see that this guy is coming. It's a mystery for you all guys that whom the guy would be who's visiting our college, and he has worked in Amazon Prime Videos series, and the hints which I can give is that he has worked in one of the series where he was shocked by another guy.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
In the web series. Okay, I can tell you that it is the actor is coming from Mirzapur web series, but I will not reveal his name, nor I will tell you the seasons in which he was shown. It's a mystery for you all guys to tell me that who the guy would be who is coming to visit our college on 25th only, today only. So that part I will upload a little bit afterwards, after this vlog, so you have empty of time to think and explore your minds and think that who the guy would be who is coming. Why this man so slow? So I leave it to you all guys that who the guy would be who is coming to visit our college. And he has worked in other web series and other stuffs also. So these are all the hints which I can provide you. I cannot tell whole of the thing that who the guy would be, but after this vlog you will come to know in second vlog of mine that whom the guy would be, second part of the vlog, whom the guy would be who is coming. Talking on phone, and you should not talk on the phone while riding bikes, especially because it's not safe. It's absolutely not safe, guy. Bro is literally accelerating with one hand and talking about, oh damn, that's a Fortuner, old one, but looks very good, man. Very good. Talking about my favorite stuffs which I like the most, I have a list of that. By the way, I have a list of my favorite bikes which I like to ride, which I think that one day I will own them and ride. So the first one is Royal Enfield Interceptor 650 GT 650. That bike is so awesome, man. The second one is again Royal Enfield Hunter. I think it's 350, Hunter 350. And then these two bikes are damn good. And the third one is a scooter, means not scooter, it's a scooty. That is Aerox, Yamaha Aerox 155. I like that very much. I'm thinking of upgrading from this scooty, which is Activa 4G I am riding right now, to that one. See when it's happen. And talking about super bikes, I have another list for that. The first one which I like the most is BMW S1000 RR. That bike is so awesome, so good looking, and other stuffs are fabulous. And the second one in the list is Kawasaki Ninja ZX-10R, the new model, not the old one. The new model is so damn good. I cannot express how the bike is. And the third one is again a scooter, not scooty, that is of BMW. I think the name of that scooty is GT400, like that only. I usually get I have goldfish mind, that's why I didn't remember, but on the seat it is written that on the scooty it is GT. I think it is a 400cc bike scooter of BMW, and that is so awesome. So the next part I will be uploading very soon. It is the part 1 of the mystery and inspiration that you get. The second part I will upload very soon.
Bonus.
Why the fan is honking so much? And these idiots coming from wrong way all over to myself. And here comes the accident.
कैसा लगा मेरा मजाक?
ये क्या है?
चिकने डब्बे में 100 की हरी बत्ती डाल।
ये कोई तरीका है भीख मांगने का? भीख तो हाथ जोड़ के मांगते, आप लोग तो दादागिरी कर रहे हैं।
अबे शाणे, ये भीख नहीं मांग रहे, चंदा है।